create a background, and I'm going to colour mine just enough white bluish. Then create a random shape with your pen tool, then another one inside like that, and another one, and one more like so. If you select them all, then go to your Pathfinder tool and click divide, and now ungroup everything. And now I'm just going to get rid of my strokes, and then make the inside shape the darker colour, then the one outside of that slightly lighter, and so on until all my shapes have colours. And then I'm going to click everything apart from the middle shape, then click Effect Stylize Drop Shadow, apply drop shadow, make the middle shape at the back, and then you want to change the order so every shape is stacked on top of each other like so. And there you have your paper cut effect. Like and follow for more.